Hello, welcome to Imagine's Fall Winter Registration. So at Imagine, we are trying to make registration easier. And instead of having individuals and services complete separate registration periods for multiple departments, Imagine is moving to a unified system to better serve you. So starting now, registration will open every 6 months for all services that are for individuals over the age of 18 and are provided during the week. You will be able to select how you would like to use your supports all in one place. So let's take a look at some of these new registration features. On the first page of registration, you'll see a lot of introductory information regarding all of the different programs that this registration applies to, and additional email contacts that you can reach out to if you're looking for more specialized services, such as mental health, behavioral, or family recruited. Keep in mind, this is only for individuals over the age of 18. If you or your loved one is not over the age of 18, please email info@imaginecolorado.org to get more information about your service options. This registration will be for services starting September 1st, going all the way through February 27th. Registration for this new period will close on July 25th. On the first page, you can read briefly about all of the different service options that are provided through this registration, such as virtual services, school-age services, adult community services, employment services, and social enterprise. Keep in mind that virtual services are only online and you must have a camera, internet connection, and the individual in services must have the ability to engage with minimal in-person support. Another important note to keep in mind is school age services are only for individuals aged 18 to 21 through this registration period or this registration process. If you have a loved one that is under the age of 18, please reach out to school age services at imaginecolorado.org or info@imaginecolorado.org. If you are or your loved one is interested in school age services such as summer camp or after school program, keep in mind they have to be 18 to 21 and they must be enrolled in a school or transition program through a school district. Adult community services are continuing to make headway with all of their new classes. Same with employment services and social enterprise. After the first page, you'll be taken to each section and given brief instructions on how you would like to do things. Let's take a look at the second page. On the second page, we need to gather some information, such as the individual's and services name, their preferred name, address, and some other demographic or individual information regarding that person. On the third page, you are going to have the opportunity to complete the positive personal profile. This will help us to make sure that all of our services are catered to your needs. The first registration piece will be virtual. This is online only. If you are not interested in this service, please skip to the next page. If you are interested in this service, please read the registration instructions, look through the class descriptions, and then select what you're interested in at the bottom. For school age services, if you or your loved one is enrolled in a school or transition program and they are aged 18 to 21, then you can look through the registration instructions and then complete the selections that fit your needs. If you're interested in adult community services where we explore the community, again, please read the registration instructions and then look through the course catalog to make sure you understand what is expected of you for the course. So there's different courses with brief descriptions, criteria, and example of the skills that will be worked on in those courses. If you or your loved ones interested in employment, please make sure to review the registration instructions, the class options, and make your selections at the bottom. If you or your loved ones interested in some of the classes offered through Social Enterprise, such as Acting and Performing, Art and Motion, or iTech, please feel free to read those class descriptions and make your selections at the bottom. The last page is just a reminder that we do also offer some services that may have more individualized support, such as family recruited employees, behavioral services, and mental health. If you have any additional questions or need some additional advice, please feel free to reach out to an info@imaginecolorado.org. Thanks for registering with us, and we look forward to serving you.